The ocean is the lifeblood of our planet. It covers 70% of Earth's surface and produces more than half of its oxygen. It also absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which helps to keep our climate stable. Since the Industrial Revolution, humans have been emitting CO2 at an unprecedented rate, about 35 billion tons a year. And that has caused atmospheric CO2 levels to rise by 40%. The ocean has also absorbed around 30% of this excess CO2, which has made them more acidic and less hospitable for sea life. Here are the complete guide to the growing hazard of ocean acidification. Before I start this video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that when a new video is uploaded, you get the first notification. Now let's get started. How does ocean acidification affect the environment and human lives? The ocean is the most important and complex ecosystem on Earth, and its health is critical to our survival. It is a man-made phenomenon that is causing changes to the oceans that have far-reaching impact on marine life and the environment. Specifically, it is ongoing decrease in the pH of the ocean due to the absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The effect of ocean acidification on humans are not yet fully understood, but some studies shows that this decrease in pH has been linked to the death of coral reefs, shellfish, and other marine organisms. Some species may lose their ability to form shells and skeletons made from calcium carbonate because they cannot produce enough energy to do so under more acidic conditions. Other species may be able to adapt to changes caused by ocean acidification over time. But how long this will take is not yet known for many organisms that live in the ocean today. Which part of the ocean are currently most affected by acidification? Oceans all over the world are being affected by ocean acidification, but some areas are being impacted more than others. The Northwestern Pacific Oceans around Japan has been shown to be particularly vulnerable to ocean acidification effect. The waters south of Hawaii in the Northwestern Hawaiian Islands are among the most acidic in the world and are constantly monitored to see if they are becoming more acidic. Other areas that are being severely impacted by ocean acidification include the southern oceans around Antarctica, the North Sea, and the Baltic Sea. How are plants and algae affected by ocean acidification? It is having a significant impact on marine organisms, including plants and algae. Ocean acidification has been shown to decrease the growth rate of some types of algae and the productivity of species that depend on them as a food source, such as mussels and oysters. Ocean acidification has also been shown to decrease the production of protein in some species of phytoplankton, which will likely have a negative effect on the organism that depends on them as a food source, such as krill and other zooplankton. What are the two economic risks of ocean acidification? Some species of mollusk and crab will not be able to reproduce because they cannot build their shells under these conditions. In 2004, an Australian National University study concluded that ocean acidification is likely to slow down the growth of some species and may cause some other species to disappear. Furthermore, marine food producers and fish farmers could be affected by a decrease in growth rate and productivity of species that produce food for them. Ocean acidification consequence of marine life. Ocean acidification is the process by which carbon dioxide in seawater trickles down through various food webs, making it more difficult for marine life to grow shells and skeletons from calcium carbonate. Ocean acidification has been shown to decrease classification rate in a variety of species, including coral, oyster, mussels, urchins, and several plankton group. This could be severe consequence of marine life because many organisms rely on calcium carbonate to build their shells and skeletons. What can we do to stop bounty of the ocean from being murdered by human greed? This ocean is not just any ocean. We depend on this ocean for survival easy. This is the ocean that provides more than 99% of fish we eat, the oxygen we breathe, and the water we need to grow our crops. This ocean is the ocean that sustains a multi-billion-dollar ocean economy, which in turn supports the lives of billions of people around the world. It's time to end the madness. We need to protect the ocean for future generations. We need to end overfishing and other form of ocean degradation before it's too late. We need to protect our marine ecosystem and the species that live in them before it's too late. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.